Amon Btl, compact disc harrow for smaller farms. Precision, durability, and reliability in everyday work. The machine is built on a solid frame that is shot blasted and powder coated. It is equipped with 2 rows of hardened Oprah 510mm discs, reinforced mounts, and maintenance-free forged hubs, ensuring longevity. The Amon Btl comes standard with a Oprah 500mm tubular roller, providing optimal soil consolidation and surface leveling. The machine can be configured with different types of rollers to adapt to the user's individual needs. Ideal for seedbed preparation, post-plowing cultivation, and stubble management. Amon Btl, Polish quality, built to last. Awemak, a manufacturer you can rely on.